The Chairman, Council of Obas, ladies and gentlemen, Ogun State is lucky. Sir, you're most welcome to the Gateway State. Also here this morning, the chief host of Mr. President is our amiable governor, and I equally recognize all other represented the Ogun East Senatorial District.
Once again, welcome you to the state.
Mr. President, we move on more to see the Pakistan. The Pakistan is taking us there. It's on the way to Pakistan. Okay, very good. Those enemies are now your friends. Those action,
Thank you for being there for me and for being there for the country. You've demonstrated so much loyalty, so much commitment, voted at a very crucial time. Your monies were confiscated. The cash swap didn't work. It was terrible then. I realized that. And I came to Ogun State to invoke the spirit of freedom, for which I invoke that spirit twice. The spirit of Baba is EMILOKAN. That's Baba. Being blunt, being incisive, that's him. It will tell you. And the second spirit is that money or no money. Amount. And that ever since it's been the spirit that is driving me to serve and honor. Okay. I am honored. I just come to respond to whom calling, saying, I need to see you. Baba, here's your president.